Hello, everyone. This is Omar. So, welcome to month 7 of Entrepreneur Ride Along series by Empire Flippers. And in this video, I will be sharing what's the site performance looks like, what are the challenges that we're facing, and what are my plans to overcome those challenges. Lastly, what are my goals based on the future of this website, right? So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first things first is the site performance. It's been around 3.5 months since we started publishing, and we have published around 64 articles. All of them are human written. So, I plan to publish human written articles, little bit like 120 or so. So, then we see how it goes. And from link building point of view, we recently started building links, and it's almost 10 links acquired in the last 1.5 month. And 14 articles are ranking on page one. That's interesting, right? So, one interesting thing that I wanted to share is we are getting brand impressions and clicks as well. So, what do I mean by that is basically people are searching for our brand name, and the website is fairly new. It's almost like 5 months old. So, yeah, and the last 3 months performance looks like this since we started publishing in mid of November. So here's what the graphs from GSE looks like. And for the unexpected challenges that we are facing is number one, Reddit is ranking for literally every single keyword. So especially the commercial ones. So yeah, and the second thing is the parasite articles are ranking for journal and broad keywords. What do we mean by that is basically, for example, if we are targeting for a keyword like best headphones under 300, Forbes will be ranking for best headphone articles, right? So it will be ranking in top three positions. So it's really a kind of frustrating as well. But again, to overcome these challenges, we will be covering commercial topics where Reddit is not ranking on page one, right? So with this site, I'm keeping the ratio of commercial versus informational articles as 20% commercial ones and 80% informational ones. So, yeah. And then as a test, I will be using Reddit as a parasite. So it's kind of spamming, but there's no harm in testing it out how it goes, right? So, yeah. To improve the website moving forward, we will be covering all the possible informational topics around the subcategories that we're targeting. For example, we are right now targeting 4 subcategories on our website. So I will be covering nearly all possible informational keywords, not the ones that SGE can answer, right? So yeah, we'll be covering all of those informational articles around the commercial ones, right? So from link building point of view, I will be doing regular press releases as well as niche edits. Since right now we were doing guest posting, and now we will be moving forward to niche edits as well. Since with this website, we are publishing the content as well as acquiring links along the way. It's not like we will publish the content and then we will start building links, right? So yeah, with the new content formats that we are trying is number one, YouTube videos. And I guess this is the reason why we are getting the brand impressions as well as clicks on brand name. Since we have hired somewhere like 3 to 4 influencers having those products, and we will be hiring more influencers in the futures. They have all of the products that we are promoting or reviewing on our blog. So they create somewhere like 4 to 5 minutes review and send it to us, right? And then we publish those videos on YouTube with all of those, keywords, tags, and bells and whistles, right? So, secondly, we are planning to try programmatic SEO pages to meet several intents. I didn't say we will be publishing 1,000 pages through programmatic SEO for this website. I'm saying, for example, there is an opportunity that which products are being used by the influencer in that niche, right? So we can create programmatic pages for that, and there's a lot of room for opportunity when it comes to these kind of pages, since there are not a lot of high authority websites are ranking on these kind of keywords, right? And the third thing is adding test samples from the product that we're promoting. Will be adding test samples right on our blog to uh, you know showcase authenticity, right? And then the goals that I have with this website is basically maximizing brand impressions. Why? Since I'm seeing very positive results on my clients' websites as well as my own websites, just because of this reason. That's my assumption. Since with the recent Google updates, all of those websites that were having good brand impressions or brand clicks, they are not being hit by Google. This is not the correlation theory I'm explaining, but this is just my observation, right? So second thing is becoming direct brand affiliate. I have done it before, but right now we are mostly relying on Amazon as an affiliate since we are promoting their products. But since the website is new, we don't have any stats to show to the brand that we can, get them XYZ sales or we have XYZ traffic. So that's why we are not reaching out to brands right now. And the third thing is, I plan to publish 120 articles, all human written, and then we will see how it goes. Lastly, acquiring 100 links, both guest posts, niche edits, press releases, and so on and so forth. So I think that's it. If you have any questions or confusion, do let me know. I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.